Tell you how to clean up your computer using several methods, and this is in case you don't have a lot of space on your hard drive anymore because of all the stuff you have on it. But first, we're going to empty the recycle bin by right-clicking and emptying it and deleting it. And the next step is to clear your temp. This is your drive and Windows. You will need admin privileges to access the temp file, but you will want to delete this. All the ones you can. Some may just stay there. And that's what's left. So that's alright, and you need to clear all your browsing and cache in your browsers. So in Chrome, it's basically you go to your history and clear browsing data and clear your cache and all your history basically. Ta-da! Close that. In Firefox, I'm basically going through privacy and security and history and delete, and you have to select everything. And I'm keeping my active logins because, you know, it's annoying to log in. So you will want to select this, which is basically all the websites storing cookies and stuff on you. So clear all that and close. The final method, one of the more drastic methods, is to right-click this and compress your whole drive. So, properties. And that's part of cleaning your drive. So you will want to select all this, which we did these two manually. So yeah. And selecting this will take a while for it to apply to the whole hard drive, or a partition for this matter. So you can click apply, and you probably want to apply like subfolders. Ignore that. And it's going to take hours. And make sure your computer is plugged in to power, because this will take days depending on how much or how big your partition is. Another way to clean up your hard drive so you have space is to delete files that you no longer need. Kind of like, you know, school projects and stuff. You know, just take this and hit the delete button on your keyboard, like that. Delete that. And you want to empty that. Alright. And it's going to take forever. Anyway, it should basically give you tons of space on here. So that will conclude basically how to clean up your PC. Now, this is for if you have like viruses and stuff. So I use Malwarebytes and I usually have Bitdefender, but because Bitdefender, you gotta install it first. Otherwise, it will basically demand that it would be the only antivirus on your system. So you install it first, and then this boy and Spybot. Yeah, it's right here. So what you want to do is basically install Bitdefender, Malwarebytes, and Spybot in that order. And you will want to scan, but first you will want to hold on, protection, scan for rootkits, because it usually doesn't have that ticked. I'm not going to do that now because I know I'm clean. Oh boy. And for Spybot, you will want the old version, the 1.x, not the 2.x, because the 1.x has the T-timer, which protects your registry from random changes, and you will want to check for problems. I'm not going to do that now because I'm going to stop it and it'll take forever. Anyway, one more way is to remove programs. And you will want to get into the legacy somehow, the legacy control panel, because this is the new control panel. It's complete crap. Here we go. That button. This is the legacy. And that's driver. Blah blah blah. And basically, uninstall or delete anything you have not intentionally installed that's not Microsoft. So you basically scroll through this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, you click that and you click this and you follow the screens. Yep. So that's probably still going. It's gonna take hours. Yep. It's not even. It's gonna take ages. So I will conclude this with pressing this button.